What up, guys? So we made it to Beverly Hills, California, reporting to you live here from the beautiful one and only Beverly Hills. Beautiful city in Los Angeles. You know, Los Angeles County has, if I'm not mistaken, 88 cities, and Beverly Hills is probably one of the most beautiful one of them all. I love coming here, I love spending my time here, and I love meeting fantastic, fabulous people here as well. Hopefully like yourself. So if you are one of the fantastic, beautiful people who enjoy meeting great people as well, just like me, we can say that Beverly Hills is the place for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed the video from the drone that I just did. It was a great video. It was super awesome, super great. Basically, we were flying about all of those buildings. I showed you Rodeo Drive. I showed you, you know, how life is in Beverly Hills. And if you ever have a chance to come here, if you are from the outside of the United States, definitely do. It's like an experience like no other, and you will definitely enjoy the time that you will have spent here in Beverly Hills. All right. So, and then if you live in the United States, then there is no excuse absolutely for you not to come to this beautiful city in Los Angeles, pretty much on the west side. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'll see you soon. Subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you haven't. This helps a lot, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. Cheers. All right, well, I guess since we are here in Beverly Hills, it would be a good idea to go and show you, around, show you what's up. So here we are, one and only beautiful Beverly Hills. Let's go across the street real quick. Across it. Right, so Beverly Hills, California, it's a spot like no other, without a doubt. All right. So let's see. Shall we go this way? This way though. All right, and we made it to one and only and beautiful Rodeo Drive. Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, California. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go across the street. This is it. This is Rodeo. This is Rodeo Drive. We got it. There you go. Alright, so basically this is probably one of the most popular shopping streets here in this city. And not only in the city of Beverly Hills, but also in the city of Los Angeles. If you count how many G-Wagons are driving through the streets of Rodeo Drive on a daily basis, you're probably gonna get a headache or something, because there's a lot. There's quite a few. I would say that this is mini Monte Carlo of Los Angeles. Basically, you have a high concentration of high net worth individuals and high net worth tourists who come from all over Los Angeles and from all the world, basically, to enjoy their time. Alright, so basically you can find a lot of streets on this, a lot of shops on the street, from Louis Vuittons to Philip Klein to Hermes to Gucci. So basically, yeah, that's what's up. So beautiful, great city. If you're a celebrity and you're looking for some privacy and you're looking for some private shopping experience, this is probably not the best spot for you. But if you like people watching, if you like seeing great stores and great, you know, basically architecture, and basically the cars, the people, great restaurants, this could be a great spot for you. The collection, there you go. Again, another G-Wagon. I told you, right? There's more G-Wagons here than in any other part of Los Angeles. There we go. We got some gas. That's awesome. Alright, so we are approaching the street. We are approaching Brighton Way Street. Again, super busy with tourists. Today is Memorial Day, right? So what that means is that it's twice as busy as it normally is. You know. Alright, let's go across the street, guys. Let's do it. Another store, David Yurman. Basically, I don't even know what that store is. If you guys know what David Yurman is, please leave a note in the comment and please let me know. We got the Vacheron Constantin. It's the famous watch brand. Oh, Salvatore Ferragamo. Okay, that's cool. Those guys make some of the best stores, some of the best shoes, basically, in the country, in the world. Oh, there you go, another G-Wagon. That's already G-Wagon number 4, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, the famous Gucci store. We got a bit of a crowd here as well. There you go, that's pretty much the entrance to this wonderful store. There you go. Good stuff. Alright. S-Class is pretty much like Toyota Prius on Rodeo Drive. Just like G-Wagons. There's a lot of them here. And you got a Balenciaga with Will Smith. Basically being a brand ambassador for them. Or Montclair, actually. My apologies for that. Cods. There you go. Oh, there you go. Algira Coach, Lamborghini, Beverly Hills. This is a beautiful Lambo as well. What is it, Coach? Alright. So today is Memorial Day. Memorial. There you go. A Lambo truck. Beautiful truck. So today is Memorial Day 2021, basically. Alright, this is Dior. We have another line to get to Dior. And this is the famous crossing of Dayton Way and Rodeo Drive. You see this little street going inside to the left. Basically it's like an Italian street, you know, with beautiful restaurants, a Versace store, and one of the most expensive jewelry stores in the country. Here we are, and Louis Vuitton store is here as well, with Burberry. Alright, Louis Vuitton is here, the guys with the bikes. Oh, and that's the street I was telling you about. You see, it looks kind of like a European street in Los Angeles. There's not too many of them here in this beautiful city. We're actually gonna go there. Let me just really quickly show you Louis Vuitton. Oh, another G-Wagon. That's G-Wagon number 5. Louis Vuitton, with lots of people in line trying to get there. Alright. It's a super busy day today here. Going on the streets. Stefano Ricci. Look at that. Look at that. Expensive stores are located on the street. Peter Marco, the guy famous on YouTube as well, because he got a lot of good jewelry here as well. Unfortunately, there is no jewelry right now because it's so expensive. They don't risk to leave it overnight or for when they are closed. Oh, look at this beautiful restaurant. Not exactly sure what's the name of this restaurant, but I'll let you guys know in just a second. So, okay, I think it's called 208 Rodeo, Beverly Hills. Cheers, brother. How are you? Happy Memorial Day. Cheers. All right. So, it's a beautiful Tiffany store right here as well. So, you know, people enjoying their Memorial Day activity, people going out, people having good food. Tiffany, and the whole thing is here as well. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this little experience. This pretty much is where our tour ends. The Western 208. And the last thing I'm going to show you is going to be this beautiful fountain. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the little tour of Beverly Hills and Rodeo Drive, to be exact. This is a fantastic street down here in Beverly. If you definitely haven't been here, please come and take a look. You'll definitely have a great time seeing all of these restaurants, seeing all of these people, and, you know, enjoying yourself and having a great time. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you like this video, please press like. It helps a lot for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.